Hello everyone, it's Mr. E, and today I want to help you teachers save time with AI. Today we're going to create Google Form quiz with AI. Let's get started. Woohoo! What are Google Forms? Why would you want to use them? And how to make them using AI. What are Google Forms? They're a free web-based tool used to build professional surveys, quizzes, and registration forms in minutes. I'm pretty sure you've done or completed a survey that was created by Google Forms. Why use them? Well, Google Forms, when you use them properly, give you instant rating and feedback. So you just post a form, students take it. If you have your settings right, they get their feedback and you get your feedback. With that feedback and with that data being gathered, you have data-driven instruction. You get charts, sheets, all types of data that you can use to know if your students understood what you taught them. And for the purpose of this video, it saves time. It saves time in making the quizzes and grading the quizzes. And using AI is going to save you a ton of time in making the Google form. If you ever try to make a Google form, sometimes they can be a little tedious, but with AI, it's smooth sailing. How to make them? I'm going to create my 4-question check for understanding using Assistant, just an AI I was using at the time. And I'm going to take that, create the quiz, and then put it in the form of a Google form. I want to give you a quick disclaimer. I know there are software programs out there on the internet that allow you to make a Google form almost directly. I've used School AI. It was great when I first started, but a few times it just started spinning. It didn't work. So I couldn't count on that. And what I decided was I went out and learned how to make it the way I'm going to show you right now that works every time. So enough talking, let's go ahead and get started and make a Google form quiz with AI. We will create an assessment in Google Forms. First, we need our prompt. We're going to give it a persona, expert Algebra 1 teacher, and we're going to translate from equations to word problems to equations. I'm going to give it a couple examples because I want them to be like the ones I gave them in class. So here it is generating some questions for me. And remember, AI does make mistakes. So before you publish this, make sure you check for accuracy. But I noticed that it's only matching equations to word problems. I want to do the reverse. I want to reverse and match word problems to equation. So I come back, another prompt. I want a total of 4 questions, 2 of each. So I wanted to make 2 questions, giving word problems, and then identify the equation. Going to generate those for me. I'm going to go ahead and check that. Now I want to put together the 4 questions. So these 2 questions with 2 from the previous. And I want the answer key at the end. All right, so let's assume I check this for accuracy and it looks good. I have my 4 questions. Now I need to create a script so I can copy this into Google Forms. So my next prompt asks to create a script for the quiz. Now I'm going to put some instructions there that I want each question to be worth 2 points and each question is required. If you don't do that in the script, it's going to force you to do it yourself later on. So I copy this script. Now it gets a little technical here, but it's not that hard. I go back to my Google Forms and I create this blank form. I go up to the top right, those 3 dots are, and then I click that and I come down to where it says apps script. There's going to be a little junk in there. I want to delete that. Then I'm going to give it a name. And then I'm going to paste my script right on line number 1. Once it's pasted, then it gives me the option to save. Then after I save it, then I can run the code. When the code runs, it's going to ask you for permission because it is in your Google Classroom. Go ahead and give it that and then authorize. And the form has been created. So now I go back to Google Forms. And voila, there's my form. Again, go ahead and double check it, change the name. You see it gave 2 points per question, made each question required. And that's it. Now I have a Google form that I can use in my class. That's it. I hope you found that helpful. And please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more videos to help you save time in your classroom using AI. This is Mr. E, your STEM OG. And remember, think big, start small. Talk to you soon.